BICO Nonwoven, 2 polymers extruded as 1 fiber. A low-melt PE sheath bonded to a high-strength PET core. Thermal bonding, no chemicals. The sheath melts at 130 to 160 degrees, fusing fibers without binders. The PET core holds 35 newtons per 5 centimeters, available from 1, 5 to 6 denier. Thermal bondable, low-melt sheath fuses on contact. Superior softness, 1, 5 denier fibers, exceptional drape. High-strength PET core withstands load without losing processability. Hygiene topsheet and ADL, 15 to 40 GSM. High-porosity filtration media. Low-conductivity insulation batting. Medical gowns and drapes, ISO and OCO-TX certified. Manufacturing since 2011. Exporting to over 30 countries. More than 500 B2B buyers. Rated 100 out of 100 by Aditya Birla. ISO 9001 certified. We make it better. For BICO samples and specs, email sale@favoritehub.com or call +91 88,000 7 75,462.